let's say that you want to use the competition template because you got a VEX Robotics competition coming up and you are new to it. Here's how you can get started so you can connect to the tournament manager stuff that controls your robot. I would first go to Open Examples, click on Templates, and I would go with Competition Template. And now you've got these three things: when started, when autonomous, and when driver control. You're going to need to configure your robot. I would recommend going with individual motors for the ones that drive your robot. So maybe I've got a left motor in port 1. I'm going to call that lefty. And maybe I've got another motor in port 10. I'm going to call that righty. Maybe I want to reverse this motor, but maybe you've got 4 motors, in which case configure 4 motors to the correct ports. I'm going to have a controller, so I'm going to put that on there. Now notice that the channel 3 is the left thumb and channel 2 is the right thumb. So now I've got those 3 things, and I can make that small, and I'm going. So now you've got your competition template. You have configured these guys, your driving motors and your controller. And what I then did was, in the part where it says when driver control, I put a forever loop, and then I put these commands in there so that it will drive. You can look at those, maybe pause it, check that out. During the autonomous, I want my robot to, let's say, drive forward and drive back, so you can pause it and see what I did there. For the when started, you probably, in your simplest form, don't need to put anything. And then you can download this to the robot, give it a name here, choose slots 1 through 8, and now when you run this program, you should be able to connect to the competition switch or to the tournament manager software for your first matches.